Air pollution. It has been a major problem of 21st century for both developed and developing worlds. It has a big role to affect the human health. It is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Nowadays, mostly because of automobiles and factories, the air pollution is keeping us at high risk. If air pollution will increase like this day by day, I am sure life will not exist on earth. Nepal, well known as birthplace of Gautam Buddha and the land of highest peak, has transmitted itself into a country of pollution. Nepal is now wearing dust and smoke. The capital of Nepal, Kathmandu, was the most polluted city in the world for few last days. People are wondering how this happened, but they are not looking what they have done. Nepal is at risk of air pollution also because of the trend in which people are interested to live in urban areas. The air pollution in Nepal increased the chance of non-communicable diseases like lung disease, heart disease and cancer. Moreover, because of this air pollution, the government was forced to close all the schools and colleges for 4 days. The main cause of this air pollution in Nepal was the forest fire, dust and the smoke. Because of the air pollution, the ozone layer is also becoming thinner. Skin cancer. Do you know how it came? People are affected by skin cancer because of the pollution, which makes ozone layer thinner day by day. Ozone layer helps to block harmful rays of sun. It prevents us from the harmful ray of sun. I don't think I need to explain you what will happen if harmful rays of sun will enter the earth. Sunburns are also affecting humans because of pollution. How can we prevent air pollution or how can we minimize air pollution? First of all, most important, reduce the usage of fossil fuel. We should not use vehicles, but without vehicle, transportation is not possible in today's life. So use electric vehicles which will not produce smoke and will not need fossil fuels like petrol, diesel and coal to run. If you are not affordable for electric vehicle, then use public transport. We should use solar energy. Reduce the usage of firecrackers on occasions. Say no to plastic bags. Instead of plastic bags, use the cloth bags. In Nepal, many people are cutting trees for money, but they are not thinking of their upcoming generations, and the government must stop deforestation in the name of development. We should avoid using firewoods as fuel for cooking. Using firewoods as fuel supports deforestation and causes many diseases. Air pollution has been the huge problem for us. We should use prevention from now, otherwise the scenario is obvious to worsen in the coming few years if immediate preventive measures are not taken in time. This time, because of the rainfall, the weather becomes normal, but not for a long time. If we go like this without trying to minimize the air pollution, maybe the life on the earth will be finished. All I want to say is to control air pollution and share awareness. Thank you.